Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we paint this geometric design of a pattern that is a historic pattern existing on a brass ewer from Iraq from the 13th century. And this ewer actually at the moment sits at the British Museum in London, and hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. Let's start painting. We've got the stencil here. It's already sealed and it's ready to go. I've chosen my 3 paint mixes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the deep turquoise, and I'm just going to go inside this line and start over. As we say, this is just the first layer. I really like this pattern, and it's actually a very interesting one. It's quite intricate. Okay. Always choose the brush carefully, because the brush size will have to, match the sizes of the shapes that you're trying to paint. So now that's dry, ready for the second layer, and this time try to be more and more careful with my paint strokes or my brush stroke. If you don't have the stencils, of course, you could always create this design with a pencil on paper, or you can create a template and then transfer this template with transfer paper, and I've shown these techniques in other videos on my channel. That's very good. So this shape is now, we can go in now with the other hue. So I'm just gonna go into these ones on the outside, and again so it makes sense to just paint, these together as blue. Okay, let's see, we gotta be careful with this color as well, and it's gonna need more layering, this color would, or this paint mix would, because it is actually very translucent. So you get the idea. And what we're just gonna do is continue painting in this manner until we get all the painting done, and then once the orange and the lighter turquoise parts are painted with the first layers, let them dry, leave them for a couple of hours to dry, and then go over them again with more layers until they are opaque enough and give the result that I'm after. So after I've completed painting all these shapes and I've done multiple layers, I very carefully start peeling away my stencil, and I just peel away very carefully. So with one finger I keep it on the paper just to make sure that I peel the stencil very slowly and very gently, peeling away the stencil, making sure that I don't damage any parts in the process. I will attempt to zoom in a little bit more just to show you more of the peeling process. So we've got one mistake here to be fixed. We've got 2, 3, 4, of course, my bad, and 5. So this is so far what I can see. There's very little dots here. Maybe we can pick those up as well. You cannot see it anymore because the white has just dissolved into the background. I have to make sure that I do it very, very carefully and very swiftly, I would say is the right word. You don't need to dwell on it. So I go in with the orange, and what I do is, again, I pull very, very swiftly over the green and leave it to dry. Don't overdo it. Once it's dried, I can go back and go over it again. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. If you like the stencil, I will also leave a link below in the description. I'll be looking forward to seeing your different designs. As always, thank you for watching and have a nice day.